Hi everyone, thanks for watching. In this video, I'm gonna really quickly go over how to use carts in Matrix. You can use carts to group listings that may not match the same criteria into one place. For example, you could combine multiple property types or the results from multiple searches, unlike a save search. We'll go over exactly how to get results and add them to a cart or create a new cart. To get started, I'm going to find us some results. So here we are at the results page. I put in my criteria. I found a good batch of listings that I'm looking for. All I'm going to do to add my couple selected to a cart is check off the listings that I like. I'm going to go down to carts. And if I want to create one from scratch, I'm going to go over to new cart. I have to give the cart a name, and I do have the option to assign it to a contact. Assigning to a contact is not required, but it does help to attach a cart to a contact so you can find them together in the future. I'll call this practice carts. And I will go to contacts and assign it to myself. It'll let me know that I added 3 listings to my cart, and I can go back at any point under my matrix and my carts to review this. If you want to add listings to one of the carts that you've already made, the only difference is once you've picked your results, you're just going to go to this drop down menu, select the cart. You'll see them all lined up here. Once you've chosen the category that you want to add your results to, you just click add to. It'll let you know at the top, hey, you've added 3 listings to this cart. Anytime you want to go back to this, you can go to my matrix, my carts. This page is going to list all of your carts, show how many listings are in each cart, and a timestamp for the last time that you used the cart. If you drop down this menu here, you can adjust the settings of the cart, review the results, or just delete it altogether. If you've assigned a cart to a particular contact, you'll also be able to find it under that contacts page. If you have a question about this that was not answered in the video, you can reach MLS support by calling 804-422-5004 or by emailing mls@cvrmls.com.